Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Novice Artist Studio, and thank you for being here. Slow down, relax, and create with me as we explore 10 beautiful Zentangle-inspired patterns. From simple geometric designs to mesmerizing optical illusions, this mindful drawing session is perfect for reducing stress, improving focus, and sparking creativity. Grab a pen, take a break from doomscrolling, and enjoy the calming power of art. Each one starts with nothing more than a blank page, a pen, and a little patience. Together, these patterns create a journey through creativity, mindfulness, and relaxation. In our busy lives, we spend so much time consuming content. We scroll through social media, jump between apps, and fill every quiet moment with noise. Before we realize it, hours have passed, and our minds feel more tired than refreshed. That's one of the reasons I love creating art like this. These patterns aren't about perfection. They're not about creating a masterpiece or impressing anyone. They're about slowing down. They're about giving your mind a chance to breathe. As you watch these designs come to life, notice how every pattern is built from simple shapes and repeated lines. A flower begins with a few petals. A geometric illusion starts with a basic square. A complex-looking design is really just one small step repeated again and again. There's something powerful about that. Art reminds us that big things are often created through small, consistent actions, line by line, shape by shape, moment by moment. When I'm drawing patterns like these, I find myself entering a calm and focused state. My attention shifts away from endless notifications, unfinished tasks, and the pressure of everyday life. Instead, I focus on what is right in front of me. Just the next line, just the next shape, just the next moment. And that's where mindfulness begins. Mindfulness doesn't require a meditation app, a special routine, or a perfect environment. Sometimes, mindfulness is simply being fully present in what you're doing right now. For me, doodling and pattern art have become a form of creative therapy. The repetitive motion of drawing helps quiet mental clutter and creates a sense of balance. It turns a busy mind into a focused one. Even if you've never considered yourself an artist, I encourage you to try it. You don't need expensive supplies. You don't need years of experience. You don't even need artistic talent. All you need is a pen, a piece of paper, and a willingness to begin. Some of the most beautiful patterns emerge from simple mistakes, unexpected lines, and spontaneous ideas. Creativity grows when we stop worrying about getting everything right. As these 10 patterns come together, I hope they inspire you to create your own versions. Add your own twists, experiment with new shapes, explore different styles. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Because art isn't always about the finished piece hanging on a wall. Sometimes it's about the peaceful moments spent creating it. If this video helped you slow down, relax, or simply enjoy a few minutes away from the endless cycle of doomscrolling, then it has already achieved its purpose. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoy mindful art, Zentangle patterns, doodles, optical illusions, paintings, and relaxing creative content, I'd love to have you as part of this growing community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me continue creating videos that inspire creativity, mindfulness, and joy. Until next time, take a deep breath, stay curious, and keep creating. See you in the next video.